Some days back, some people from Margao and all over Goa approached Homes for Goa to take up the issue of the wholesale fish market at Margao. They had concerns that the wholesale fish market at Margao has become a breeding ground, it's become stagnant, it's smelling, it's rotting all over, and then you can't even walk because of the muck and the water. So Homes for Goa had given an ultimatum to the government some days back to clean up the place, to restore hygiene back to the place within 10 days time, or that we will take appropriate action. Almost 25 days has passed, nobody has taken a call on this, nor has visited the site. The local MLA, the fisheries minister, the CM has not. आमची थोडी सूचना government we have identified the problem with the fish market. The fish market thing is the concrete it has worn out and the ground has become uneven. So the ice water melts down and just collects in pools there. Okay, until you are stagnant down the vast and add into the fish and whatever it is there, and you can't, it's a problem. So we suggest the government to put a fresh layer of concrete on it so that the water doesn't accumulate there. Also, when the concrete is being laid, it should be given a slope so that the water goes down into a proper drainage system so that water does not collect. We also request and demand that the health ministry should pay a visit there every 15 days or so and give it a proper clean bill of health. On 30th of April, we have given a call to all Goans. आम्ही सगळे गोंयकारांक उलो मारला तेंची गिटारां ते कोडे कितें घुमटां आहा ते कोडे कितें आहा म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेंट ते कोडे काय ना जाल्यार तेंची लातां कोट्ट्यो डोबे घेवन थिंगा येवचे. We are trying to raise this awareness about this fish market and we want and seek your help and cooperation in this. कित्याक हो म्हजो कायदो न्हू, हो सगळ्यांचो कायदो. हायजीन इज एवरीबडीज आनी ते म्हणटा गोंयकार आमचें नुस्तें बेसीक डायट इज बींग सोल्ड फ्रॉम स्टेंच. कसले गोंयकार